Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a thumbnail, a VEVO thumbnail, something like this for a music video. So what I'll show you what I did. You're gonna want to take 2 photos or maybe just one. These are the photos that I'm gonna be using. And get this app called PixArt. It's like this. And then you're gonna want to press this. If you are on a different page like these, then press the little plus sign right here, and then select see all, and then select whatever photo you want, like this. And then you are actually gonna want to crop it really small, something like this. And if you want to add a image, then scroll through this bottom and then add photo like this, but I'm not gonna be doing that. And then you're just gonna want to take a screenshot or a photo and then crop it tiny. And then then after that, you want to select next. You're gonna want to select this, press this, and then this thingy at the top right here. And then you are gonna want to delete this one. Okay. And then you are gonna want to tap it so all of that becomes black, and then take a screenshot and then make it like this. Make the black area about this big. And then you are going, oh no, okay. And then you are going to want to press edit, marker, and then press the plus sign, add text. Change the color to white so you can see it. Then put this to I don't know. Put this to about 197. 197. And then you are going to want to double tap this icon, and then, because they're all capitals, VE, what the heck? VEVO. Okay, it's glitching, bro. Guys, it's glitching. Ow. Okay. VEVO. Where's the V? Oh, VEVO. Yeah. Then done this. Oh, I accidentally misspelled it. I'm just gonna fix that. Okay. Then you are gonna want to select this. Make sure the giantness is at 197. Then select BIU down here, right here, and then select this. And then go to the A down to two A's, then you're gonna want to select Futura, like this, and then it should turn out like this, and then done. Yeah, I already have a photo, so this one's useless. And yeah, so if this was useful, then click that red button down below and consider subscribing and hit that notification bell to never miss a future video. And with that being said, we are out.